everyone, this is Elena Kraus for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the folding snow foiling plate die. So, let's take a closer look. This is a single foiling plate. It's large. It's about 5 by 6 inches, and it fits perfectly onto the foiling platform, so there are no overhangs. And you can also make a little bit larger than A2 size cards. So here is 5.5 by 8.5 foiled piece of white cardstock. I use Aura. And here are a few samples where I foiled onto colored cardstock. So you can see that you can achieve different effects depending on the color of cardstock you use and the foil you use. You also can use the foiling plate for dry embossing. And here is a sample where that background is put together onto an A2 size card. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!